Slowly but rising, slowly but going. Yeah, but yes. It's just, oh my God.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go.
Hi guys, here's me, Anna. I am just right there. We're gonna be again testing our Quotex strategies, testing the bunch of indicators, combining it, and see how we can get the results from it. So guys, we just about to start it, and all these setups are just gonna be set up. And we're gonna be starting with the indicators. As you know, with 1 minute interval, we just leave it 550 for a start, and here we are, fractal, moving average, and we're just gonna add one more. It's gonna be a 3 indicators based strategy, so I think it's gonna be okay. Maybe we're gonna add some. Let me think about that. Yeah, we're gonna be playing for 4. Just been using that before, and now I just got the idea because when I started to think about the ATR, I just got this Williams come up to my mind, and I must say this is the combination, and I just decided to go to the full bank. Okay, this is how the chart's gonna be looking. We just switch into the 10-second candle just to make it more complicated, and you may see how actually chart is looking differently. And here we are with the currency pairs with the biggest payouts. As all of you know, now we are actually at the 92%, which is way more than it was like 87, 89 sometimes before. So that's the progress. That's it. That's how we started, and that's how we're gonna be trading. So let's make this one kind of quickly. I think all of you can see that we are actually heading upward, but in a minute, I think it's not going to be enough. I mean, this trend is not going to be that long, that in a minute we can catch still the upward trend. I've been thinking about the opposite one, and if you're going to be checking actually the moving average right there, it's kind of useful, that's surprisingly, but it seems like this is just the part of the big hill, and we are having the last one is the tendency, which is the latest, the biggest downward one. But maybe, yeah, some breaks with these green candles. But I think just in the end of it, we're going to be closing that hill from the opposite side. And maybe we can start see this upward trend just a little bit. But anyway, I think this entry point, which is one of the highest right there, is gonna be way enough. Look at that, a few seconds left. We are already heading backward, but that's just so done for us. Right there, and I must say, maybe that's the color of the moving average. Maybe that's the perfect strategy for it. But right there, it's perfectly showing to us all the clear tendencies without any of that inconvenience that we can have with the candles. And I think this downward trend might end, because you may see, especially at the Williams, that we are kind of at the bottom and we are trying to get a little bit more upward with the ATR. And I think that's the good decision that I actually added some Williams, because although with the ATR, with the moving average and with the fractal, that would be a complete and the clear disaster. So let's just see. Slowly but rising, slowly but going, actually pretty fast for that change. And don't, yeah, that's been fine, because Williams and NTR already started to show us that we actually been continuing to get downward. So that's us right there. Again, I gonna be weight just raising, and I think this downward trend gonna be continuing, of course, but just in a minute we're gonna be keeping and catching some opposite in upward trend, because you can see this pattern, and it's kind of, I cannot say that it's short one, but we are definitely at the bottom already of this downward trend, so we need it to be an upward one. Let's see. So look at that. This is slowly but rising. We are kind of at a stage. Yeah, but yes. I just need to finish right here and right now. Yeah, that's it. That's the best prognosis. Okay, let's think what we can have right there, and I think it's a little bit look-alike situation compared to the last one. You can see that the Williams kind of at the bottom of its own chart. It is playing a little bit. We still have some space to get downward, but I think it's just going to be the closing. What about the ATR? Maybe the period, maybe the spirit of the candles, or just of the indicator. It's a little bit, I don't know, useless or inappropriate. I'm gonna try maybe with another one next time, because right now it's a little bit more confusing than helpful. So now you can see we're getting it. We're just getting it, and we are rising. Look at this ATR. The difference, I mean, the direction is not, oh my God. Maybe that's why, because ATR giving us more info about not the candles, but the big tendency. And it was like, don't be too excited, girl, because we can have it. Yeah, we can have it downward. And let's make this one as the last one. Right there, the first impression, the first intention that we're getting just downward. All the indicators right there, just the big situation right here. So I think we're going to be kind of safely having this profit. Let's see. And just look at that. What actually can happen with all of your knowledge, all of your experience, all the indicators just giving you that you are getting downward, but it's just, oh my God, that's the half of it. The last one and the half of it. That hurts. That actually hurts. Look at that. All of the indicators being shown to us that we're getting downward, and we actually been, but not that fast, girl, not that rapid. That's it, and that's done. This last one was actually disappointing a little bit, because it was so beautiful. That was, like the beautiful video of this perfectly working strategy, and just, in the last second, in the last minute, is just like nailed that. You've been too excited. You've been, I don't know, too confident. Get your mistake. So that's it, and we just done for today.